In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to unhide columns in your Excel sheet. So in this particular data, some columns has already been hidden. So if I want to unhide them, I click on this plus button and then you see the data that were hidden are now visible. So let's say I want to close it again. I click on the minus sign, unhide it, I click on this. So let's say now I want to hide this. I right click and this comes out. You can see where it says hide. If I want to unhide it, it is very important, guys. You see, because we're having D and H. So I come in between and click on unhide. So and click on unhide. Still come again and click on unhide. So for an easier way in which you can unhide this data, let's say I hide this again from here to here. I click on hide. So I come back to my home section, my home tab, and then I go to my format, and you can see in the visibility section, I click on hide my columns, and I have all the columns that were hidden now visible. So thank you guys for watching today's video.